Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to solve when the control is not used in Palworld. So, first method, let's go to Steve. Let's go to the name of the game to Palworld. We right click and enter properties. Now let's go to the section that says controller. We click and we go to this button here. We click and we activate the option of enable Steam input. We click. It is the first method. Now the second method. We go up to the left. In Steam. Now in options. And we go to where it says controller. Now we read where it says show advanced settings. And now, if your control is Xbox, activate this option. If your control is PlayStation, activate this option. Depending on the control you have, activate the option. If it is Switch, if it is Xbox, if it is PlayStation, and also for Xbox there is a driver. So it is very important to install the driver. We click on install. And it will start to download the driver for Xbox controls. Now, third method. We go to Steam. Right click, properties. Now, where it says install files, we go to browse. And we will open the root folder of the game. Now, in the .exe file of Palworld, we right click and properties. We enter properties. Now, we read where it says compatibility. And what we do is click where it says execute this compatibility program. We click and we select Windows 8. If it still does not work, what they should do is click where it says execute this program as administrator, and we give apply and OK. With these methods, the control should work now. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful. And goodbye.